American Instrument Exchange has been a reliable source for used laboratory and scientific equipment since 1969. All lab equipment listed on our website is in stock and ships from our 30,000 square foot warehouse in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Our facilities include a fully equipped shop with highly trained technicians who thoroughly test each instrument before it reaches your laboratory. Our surplus lab equipment is reconditioned for many types of laboratories, including biotech, biomedical, medical research, chemical, pharmaceutical, and university and hospital research laboratories.